Episode for high GC News. Mima ubibia akwaba had the latest hot kwa era me de bremo. Enuti zonya subscribe to channel idea bo modia se over subscribe. There be ya se over click the subscribe button na wabele notification. We had sa video for be upload no. What the first person want sa ebe kan sa video. Afi uya na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum afin tentemara yembura ye ensemo a abeto ye pno so uminti ye sankomo ya babeto je sa report mama yiti sansemo ye ekoso uminti
obija Kevin wheat nda be enso wheat bia ni hwe see it be clear water you see it be clear water we and the man for you am frame it's only what they say. Hey! All right, now, minority demands immediate publication of dstróy timetable. You see, NPP minority say immediately. Mr. P, Mr. S. I was supposed to ask you for an NAPO video, but it's fine. You see, minority or more parliament, the 88 MPs, MPP for more parliament, almost say, no. Yemfa dstróy timetable mbra NDC for dstróy timetable mbra. I want to tell Ghanaians something. Ghana for sebio madwini yedwuma. Nobody should take the minority serious. Ghana for say person of mine we kwaswa. Nobody in Ghana should take the minority serious. So I would take minority serious now with all due respect. One kasa wadwini wo form. I'm not going to comment on this because Ghana ni bi onim nyanse bi anim say this does not make sense. Say minority way, NPP 4 way, omudi efa do so over 3 years. And the Ghana obian to me kan wasem ye nyina yetene mu. Say in 3 months omu free power, abeka kire say we should insist to say edien e was say energy minister no the timetable bar. Nobody in Ghana should take the minority serious. Now say me video bia na ohini bi ka say nyoma bia minority ye especially Afenyo Markin ankasa edi minority ni mu ye no aya no mu Ghana for say ye Jimmy ni eti krom ha na ebusa NAPO energy minister under Akufo Addo Bawumia said dum so wo ho my timetable NAPO gina Asante memu we gina bebia o ogina Kumase e ka kire Ghana for say ye na adwin say eti dum so mu yenkoye ye timetable. NPP 4 they all supported NAPO, they defended that statement. This government has never denied to say we are not having power problems. From day one, I buy we buy. I'm catch Ghana for say a care that and we all know because we should not make it look like say NDC for free planet to be so no mobile. NDC for the netia. The family in a nominee native yomu and it's NDC for better power. No more question crate me catch say a car ECG bottle war. Afenyo Markin, Anno Dompreh, no muti ECG board so akwawi Afenyo Markin kasongo 99. Na oti ECG board so. Omo no muti na ECG board so omu wia ECG containers, cables ni nyina ano. This guy. Na oti ECG board so. One Anno Dompreh. They are the ones who supervise the stealing of Ghana properties. About 2,000 containers from Tema Port. These people. So what will make these men turn around and tell you, say, give us timetable? Abroad, they supervised one of the most horrible, almost supervised one of the most corrupt ECG in energy ministry in the history of Ghana. Time no free power. Now a car was over $10 billion. A car, no more bo. So what will make them in 3 months turn around to tell us to say energy problem no omo per timetable? Then one, it means say omo hu ya Ghana for say ye Jimmy. Omo hu ahemfo mo Ghana ni nyina say ye omo Jimmy. Omo hu mpanifo ne nkwala nyina say ye Jimmy because omo adwene ye omo say what happened the last 8 years no ye refi. That is why they are doing this. Say omo adwene ye omo say ye refi. What will make these people come around and tell us to say NDC are buying after they have committed this dangerous problem? NDC are buying their insistence say are buying no timetable. na put na Ghana hakache as an energy minister. Okache nyina say ono hu dum so bia. Na mo a mo se mo te dum so mu no. Mo ankasa mo kopem de mo from timetable. Ebe sinne. NPP, they have not apologized about this. Nobody in the NPP, Tumaka said, that statement from NAPO is an insult to Ghanaians. This is NAPO. As some catch the Ghana for no. These same people have turned around to tell us, say, oh, we have timetable.
If you are comparing 4 years, NPP administration, energy sector is 300 times better than Dompreh.
But we are still experiencing doom so.
Nobody has said we haven't. I'm just saying, it's far much better than Dompreh ever did.
So you admit there is doom so in the country?
You do admit that there's doom so.
That is the word you use. I have never used that word. I promised you that we are going to work on it. And it's not a work that is a single event. It's a process. And we'll continue to work on it for the energy sector to become better.
Have you heard of calls for a timetable?
Ask those who want to bring it. For the energy sector to become better.
Have you heard of calls for a timetable?
Ask those who want to bring it. They should bring the timetable. If there is, I haven't seen any timetable. So
but people are calling for it.
Say bring a timetable. So what do you mean?
Have you heard of calls for a timetable?
Ask those who want to bring it. They should bring the timetable. If there is, I haven't seen any timetable. So
but people are calling for it.
Say bring a timetable. So what do you mean? The ECG says that there is no timetable coming. Why do you want to bring a timetable? What purpose? Why would somebody get up and wish evil or bad for the country?
No, it's not about how bad it is. Ghanaians are
actually so. When it is not planned, when it's not planned, you can't tell the person.
So it's
were you in Ghana and Nigeria? Did you live in this country?
One, he admitted in that interview as the energy minister, said there is doom so. On the interview, Nebusan said, is there doom so? Say yes. We are solving it. So he admitted as the energy minister, said doom so. The journalist went further to say, what Gertrude said doom so what then give us a timetable. Or say more timetable now must doom so no more printable timetable. These people had no problem with it. So anytime I catch a Ghana for say Sanko Fowi, we are Ghana now take NPP minority serious with all due respect. Now I didn't count. Because one, any rational being be an adjuni juma pa sebio or Nwankasa etameduano de kona no will never pay attention to these people. They don't respect Ghanaians. They see us as say Jimmy. They don't respect one even a single Ghanaian. So why should anybody spend time, waste time on the minority, the NPP? Why should anybody do that? Nobody should do that. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of everybody's time. Because at the end of the day, why has he turned around to tell you, say, give me a timetable? I brought time and not to power. Timetable. Why would that person today say we need timetable? It is because against a refi. It is because you people have short memories. And people, they don't respect Ghanaians. Teach you, they don't respect the people who follow them.
They're not working. Won't show me because was said I didn't see Kono said and was saying for talking about it. They're not all come a PR in the Casa. Yeah. Now I am a mobile. What do you say? Casa Kama. Look, saying, sometimes PR on a baby Canada and from Soba one minister about no background. Okay, but then Minister Babish Ebeboy Hua, Ebihunaya, not PR room about. I only said, only a minister, no, Ghana. A converse, Ghana, Cecilia, OTA, electricity now the Juma. Now, energy minister, and I said, yes, on Kanye Jinaso. Na ye Juma, Ebe Catros, oh, Kanyano Crana, Sona when you soon. A car and the foie, Munich, and a chin, and a fat. Unyan Kanye Bum, Kwaku chest Kawea. O show crying.
o say o se o kan we wie no o san so bembe ka tro say na me atom ye na kudo yo
obe Canada ben
o se na nsan ne then what can
supposed to be investigating minister for energy
o so na kudo yo 450,000 barrels
Ghana e was ban sha say investigate eye Napo.
Wow. What you mom nyina chi?
Let's not sit down for anybody to take us for ride. Say bi enyan kwasiafo.
Oh dey bi.
Say nyamia ya adom na bi a wo papa no maame atimi di wa ko school antimi a create political link amount. Now as a young man, wetimi adum pempen so 70 years for ntimi nu ya. It doesn't mean say you are the smartest person or the wisest person.
I didn't know what can we.
Yet Ghana ha. Ye were independent power producers. Omone Ghana buying ewa pam.
Yeah.
Omone no ankania no mato ama buying because I buying the ankaso wonu enye enough. Enti I buying the omoka. Enti omu anoma bon training and the NPP. I buy timi the omoka with a tin over $2.5 billion.
Enyasan kitwa.
Omu timi issue statement. Yeti Ghana ha. Na omo independent power producers omu na issue press statement no makatra ban sa wo de ka so na sogri was about wo de ka ntie plant a generate 550 megawatt here shutting it down and so betu esika de amaye so omu na issue statement no e ma otumatum no a then na the then government no minister no a no kra na wa boga na kro no a ne nsaso na Ghana edun no ma ba no ma be ka so oh this is what they are saying but the government is making sure say yankani ani bejina so
okay
and the government is calling on them to rescind their decision and return to negotiation table. That is what we've been hearing. Even MPP, they're incompetent. Who be a minister? And then we don't hear anything from independent power producers through their press statement or whatever. You better some more threaten a minister. What is your interest?
It's Ejuma way and so
no, what is your Ejuma Bay?
The way you
Ejuma Bay, we say a very genuine question. Why Argentina na yen to say independent power producers? I'm going to catch Ghana for 2.5 days for us to go back to them. So I'm going to catch it.
There be a minister.
I'm going to catch it. Say any fool and Tiago them. So I'm going to catch it. Minister no produce energy.
And so no
or produce energy.
Minister
no or produce energy.
Won't produce.
And producers no. And the catch the challenges or move face. Any government obligation was all for free.
But I can
don't forget it. We are sensitive. We done many cries. Omone babe come how. Then na yan central for near Bawu minister no. Yes, all minister the independent power producers for air kanye. Enti dia na moya fa ho. Na bia minister catch us oh aye no kre. Do mo kan no kre. Na mum aban 8 na mo. I said do mo kan no kra mm. And then we don't hear anything from independent power producers.
Yeah.
Now minister no near fan why the taxpayers money tria ne kano. Wonu mom na be threaten yen. Oh Ghana for we be I come 2.5 days mu be dasumu.
Also be so hu de akoso. Reality no ka kire.
Opesa wan wan and okoso mess ni we ye no. Won say afa de ni PR and e damage control. PR the one sin ka to di o si kire nsemu. And then the minister be cause mess. Na PR na damage. I didn't tell minister na kasa ma no me clear mess.
And so that's
what I'm saying. Me I don't have any proof or any evidence, but I have a strong conviction said the minister no. The way the near abre on na dan kan no kasa ma independent power producers are. Ade omon kan kra threat omon threat on threat no. Our interest wo kanum.
Our
interest wom on yo obi o hono mu a Ghana ye onuma ko bi o madwuma ne se o mo kodan ka.
Hey.
No my job.
And the minister ma ko bi o. But we are minister.
We are minister. Ni straight to even is to assure we Ghana for. Mpenisia chiane so mu esa nyina.
Yeah, ne de.
In opposition, Mahama may president. Even Mahama ye president, yen so any in. Ebra no mo ye transition. Mahama met independent power producers.
Yeah.
Sabra no mo threatening so omo ebedum. Mahama met them. Sabra kwana yemfa to me Mahama.
Yeah.
And that didn't na the Mahama be president. We don't hear anything from them. A minister mom na threatening.
So when briefua ebia na wo
minister no brief wine.
We brief Ghana for.
And Ghana for Afena bebusa say minister be catch in the state of energy sector.
So according to Pierre no say
and to say minister na be catch be threaten say 2.5 days no. Ghana ni bi ko minister ko bi say minister matisi o 2.5 days true or false obi ko bi
was say central phone minister ko to
obi ko bi sa
obi le bi sa no
obi ko bi sa
was say central phone bi sa no
obi le ko bi sa no let's get serious. Okay, let's get serious.
It won't say more than so.
Yes, let's get serious. Say independent power producers and the NPP, if they were issue statement.
Okay.
So I mean, when was the last time I was saying independent power producers? Minister's statement to make here. Pull one statement from independent power producers. Pull one statement. Press release from them. Pull one. Try to be a minister. Do you know what it takes? Somebody business depend on electricity. We're being depend on electricity. Now we have a whole sector minister on the in charge. Ever be catch us 2.5 days. We are at the hospital. Doctor Nina was sharing say or no barber show. No I catch us so many we are there no. Oh I want ba improvement ba. Now doctor never no be catch us so many when you hot here. When you home up and down night, I call 2.5 days. Who is that doctor to you?
So, officer,
who is that doctor to you?
Boakye.
It means that doctor no or interest or on somebody baby. On somebody no interest. That minister should get serious.
Okay.
To be frank, wama Ghana for buafu. Why embarrassing government? Wama government not unpopular. Though it will be too early for President Mahama to fire him, but I will be grateful if President Mahama fires him today. I will be grateful.
When anybody say man,
yes, because if you joke with the energy sector, like they joked in 2016, and Okra Mahama, it take a very bold decision. It me ended doom so something that from a champion time maybe a manager or no ND and no because they were able to manage their communication on doom so. Ghanaians voted against NDC. Edua Nancy die woni sente kuma on transient to kwasia fidi kwentia sumpre no. Sabe wona na we deputy minister. And then we minister. So you should have learned some lessons from that. You don't just come 5 months, 3 months and be threatening Ghana for and now about be a debt collector. How you just come independent power producers? What is your interest?
Okay.
Back to command ye. Still a list to buy. Na me enra na me nim sell list to claim or make here against Zoom Lion. It was a very baseless. Na mama nka se me kiro.
Mitio.
Yet Ghana ha na NPP for develop propaganda. E ka kire say o Dr. Papa Kwasindum ni GN Bank. Wasise sika ni nyina no de akọ Liberia. Or they could be a bank of America just to give the dog a bad name to hang it. And nobody collapse a bank. No. By the time I Ghana for realizing we say Enyano Krena Ghana ban mumpeni di Dr. Papa Kwasindum Ejuma Kano. Near good Dr. Papa Kwasindum Ejuma. I'm a Ghana for over 3,000 years jobs.
Yeah.
Yet Ghana han ye bompire say Yemwana Ghana for me Ejuma. Say a beg Ghana policy. We a foreign investor crana be Ejuma, ye free be local content.
Yeah.
Yes, if for be shemu Ghana for na beti my Ejuma. But yen Ghana for no answer the anu gun crofo Ejuma e Ghana ha. Me, I won't speak for Zoom Lion. If Zoom Lion is wrong, so we will be I won't speak for them.
Okay.
But ni power kind of cry, especially when it sit on national TV and radio.
Yeah.
Our kasama man say nyina tie no. So we can be ever obi brand ho a make sure say they all can no cry. Because it didn't say ye baby I cry FM obi our team in Cecilia obi to trotro mu na wo tie. Make us say in the next 2 minutes we be see.
Yeah.
The America we chain one take. And say me dit trogu obi so na no tie obi see from say me bana me patch okra na you never hear. And at least we can say Zoom Lion or me a cromfo or can criminal. Say why you for contract na on kra na e krono e sisie e no mo e de bo ye ma me ne papa no mo. Nyame anim kwa me Ghana ni. Meaning the value of the Ghana city.
Yeah.
Metie, I will never be pleased. Say me ye juma near tua me bosumi 250 Ghana cedis. And I remember me be ye juma ne be 250 Ghana cedis. But yes, baby, o chichira boano. E hwani jano. Se wo peso hu na wo bo obi sobo de ntia omo ye sa waye sanitation model na ketua nya. First of all, I was so busa say why ene ma sa nipa kro na juma.
Okay.
Na tia wine ni tia neka Nipa wo ma wadwuma no on determine how much you should earn. Nipa wo tua wo karo na be kire how much you should earn. Enti se wonim na betra na tumfu through just to tarnish people in because abeye fene. And this is not the first time I've heard people even akunya wutimu na meti wunu ba kwa not here. No ye de cha talking with factless no facts. Because I am singing Crawford Tunyum and that Mahana Azuri na taking inspiration from no. It's the same Manas Azuri. Anno di tribe Mahama ba Ford. Ebesine even Shrad your investigation car say car no Mahama wanye as a bribe. Mahama the car no be check one. He couldn't have the integrity, credibility to say sorry to Mahama. This is the same person you take inspiration from. And I want to set the record straight. Okay. Say why you we should know who engages them, who appoint them, and who pays them. Okay. And so let's know who is responsible. Okay. Or free, baby. Tanda and then my printed document, you know. The list of Nidia and our map made about what Nana made baba. So where exhibit number 1. Oh, okay. When so exhibit number 2. Okay. Made a soft copy. I'm a producer. Producers permit me. I'm hard copy. Youth employment agents. Very good. Okay. Exhibit number 1. Headquarters. Exhibit number 1. Ne kita wono. Ya troso a YA youth employment agency. Young fast and headquarters. Any 2006 na President Akufo. Yeah. Ekofa bibi e fa youth employment de bai se e mabunu ni adwuma nti ye fa mabunu ni bia ye fa omunkoma police for anti police assistant nurses assistant no na eka ho nti why ye no na fa e mabunu na adwuma no de wa koma police for se ko boa police for na a police for na manage duty police for na de bakwa ko gina traffic we ase nti sa babunu no enye police for ne tuaneka okay eye Ghana ban eni tuaneka nti se na ketua nya anase the condition of service nya won't mean blame Ghana Police Service because Ghana Police Service in fan na juma. Okay. E Ghana ban na fan na juma. The same way we call why ye no a ye bibia a friend sanitation model. Okay. And also so no e ya ban no e na e fa obi adwuma se me pese wo ko prapra. No the one ma adwuma ko bi se o manage you the same way or the youth in a police man no. No the one ma adwuma ko aban no na kire said o pese o tua wo ka. But if you do a person who year juma, hours our person who year juma ban chere, enye nipa no manage you na chere. Okay. So when you get the facts wrong, you are tarnishing somebody's image. Let me the my way. Oko Ghana about 2006. Yeah. Aneno na oko local assemblies no a omwa sanity omo na prapra. But na bani niska logistics continue provide. Or market your continue to because you muka through the district assembly common fund. Common fund say you need every 3 months. Yeah. Enti jomani be na baba ye adwuma na obetwa se boso miensa beso ansana ye betua common fund no atua neka. And afi common fund kwa 3 months no so a quarterly no is not even assured say usika beka usika. Enti de eno so nkrofo nya adwuma na emafin sabre na cholera ade na e break wo Ghana pa gini wam no nkro no ba de kofo ye ni say yesi banu so amua emia ye ma kwan na private companies sumbram enti de be ne se aban be fa adwumani no no ordinary ma private company say wo man akade okay na ompra bosome so amia metua ne ka man akade no onya adwuma ene no kofa a ode be share eye youth employment agency ma ye sanitation model wo ye Ghana ni na se bio wo nya kwadwofo a aban bia the opportunity bar you sit down and see how best you can benefit from it. Yeah. And the organ of folk be bria border rule say feed Ghana program and minister ni aban the abano. Omo take a year interest. Omo take interest no last week yeah the fertilizer almost $1,000 na echa dia momo. It's not a crime. So Zoom Lion as a company saw it as an opportunity or establishing and we approach government. And on the aban call contract okay aban se me fan crofo no na matwa moka. Nemo me do be ma no no manage wo mo enti sa letter de kita wo no the appointment letter me pato read the letter ni enti shall say for free stro youth employment agency okay headquarters me pato read date that by 3rd March May 2021 yeah wo be hwe won sabe nkum so ya wo be hu said the nipa ne the Ama Mary Central Region wo hwe top ho a why you no na ema wadwuma nto mo wadwuma bi a wo ma identity number identification number enti nipa no for na adwuma no say the ID ne den YEAID ZA48397 enti ono na wo mo adwuma no wo mo identity me pacho let her read mami so opa read me mami read opa or say letter of engagement and this is the appointment letter why you issue what say you have been selected as a beneficiary of the youth in sanitation model under the Youth Employment Agency YE and you are hereby required to report to your YE district office in Fansman Assembly what say ya foul and the YE sanitation model no ya foul adwuma enti ya shall say ko eye woman sinuma so ye neko ekoda onwedi 2 your engagement is for an initial period of 1 year subject to renewal with effect of 3rd May 2021 to 2nd May 2022 wasi adwuma na ye fa wo no eye afe baako enti adwuma ne sha ase eye May busumi da to so miensa 2022 eye 2nd May na aba na wie point number 3 you will receive a monthly allowance of 180 Ghana cedis without statutory deduction to be paid by the service provider. What's say bosome so a one can say pay what's say allowance enti ade a why you for ne geno sanitation no enye pay allowance because they work for 3 hours a day enye 8 hours and Crawford sorry ma for minimum wage
and they calculate
normally calculate minimum wage for 8 hours a day but they work for 3 hours and why you na man adwuma no can chance say you will receive a salary or see you receive allowance into was say without a statutory deduction and tiam kwate to tax be from every month the YE so the be mawnie over 0.4 say the YE reserves the right to terminate your engagement with or without prior notice if you vacate post or misconduct yourself what see why yes and send ye more adwuma nti ye wo ho kwan say yetimi du adwuma ni free nsam
so we just be amane
e pe kra ye mo amane we just bambo ne de yetimi di wati 0.5 what see your role and responsibility attached to this engagement will be provided by your supervisor wasadie no adwuma obeye no supervisor no e do be hye wonsa no ono na be hwa kire de wo se wo ye 6 was on behalf of management please accept our best wishes as well as my congratulations on your engagement. Nipa or sign ye hwana Justin Kodua Frimpong, Chief Executive Officer. 2021 na wo hono. Enti first omo ye adwuma omo che zoom line atare a omo pra no per this letter and why in one for adwuma
aban meka say why ne form adwuma
mo o market ya na omo gi 250 ni 180 Ghana cedis wana edema omo
aban no
aban na edema omo so enye zoom lion enti so market ya nya adenti no say ko blame zoom lion na mom enya aban no
se ebi so we de me mamrem kakra bi ne hunu se wo hye sata miska ye de aban tua per person edema
why you know the misconception we need to learn na me ka se mi choma Canada the free say me susu say ene me dwen say wo de come dem wo enkwase akasa say bi eji kasa we don't talk like that if so we are critical thinker yes we are critical thinker nana the truth is that we talk many people talk without thinking critically so let them dem ma me had the energy way we are critical thinker you avoid emotions because emotions are not law you avoid biases. You cannot justify your biases before law. We are critical thinker. Bibi to say assumption. Be free say me susu say you avoid them. Because you find your juma or court. Cause you can say emra say. So you are critical thinker. You do this. First, Zoom line Ruben will play. Zoom line is a service provider. Or no na ye sanitation company private. And I buy say my fa. This say my me our family. I buy say my fa na juma. So onko prapra na mo mini officer me de be ma na obeba obe report mini obi obehwe no so mini atade akade me de be ma no enti zoom lion me no okwa apam ne se nipa na mafa no no me de na ebrew hwe no so ma me man atade nhye man Wellington boot man gloves man nose mask man eye helmet nhye man prayer man dustbin man ade bi ohi ode be sisa bola bosome so a saa nyama na wo de man metua wo ka
okay
esan se wo na wo hwe nipa no so ama me as a manager ntino I'll pay you and a Zoom Lion near buying work contract
yeah
say media se metimi ahwe nipa no so ama approve this saa nyama we nyina ma wa this amount amaje wunye
okay
abansi yo matiase how does that got to do with nipa no abana fan wo tua ne ka wo tua ne ka ye no how does that got to do with Zoom Lion emramuno how does that got to do with Zoom Lion abana agreement ba ko nim Zoom Lion call ni say abani nim say 3 months no se common fund amanu won tua sika o man for no kombedi o medi na temti no was Zoom Lion me common fund about 3 months but in crowdfund na medi o mama o say hwe o mo so no boso me so a wa ko pesika ne ti o mo kama me
de me aban se me be mo
fama o mo
okay
na boso me miensa no so na Zoom Lion bi betua o ka na matua eno so sika de account who is doing the government favor a government na ye Zoom Lion's favor and now say Zoom Lion na government favor
Zoom Lion na ebo aban no
fantastic who no for be so for na duma o so tua na boso me ka na wuntimi tia na se tia ma na boso me so a abebetua ma me it's looking like you are doing me a favor is that the case that's why me catch us we are critical thinker we objective baby no credit no now they are to now ko share there's another exhibit second one share sronom o say dey Youth Employment Agency headquarters
yeah
she date in mama 31st May 2024
yeah
oba asia letter o mo tro de come a Zoom Lion the managing director Zoom Lion Ghana Limited attention o mo de come manager no Gloria Opoku entry Mrs. o si dia madam o hwe head na o say propose amendment to the management services agreement between Youth Employment Agency and Zoom Lion Ghana Limited eya wa ye no ankasa no last year was it the agreement on Zoom Lion wo no wo ye amendment enti yanhwe niam a wa ye nankasa e propose ye
okay
and the amendment ye wia no akase Zoom Lion should be hanged should be collapsed yamfre adwuma wura ne se wo ye kronfo wo ye criminal because or a Christian contract in our honor. Did you see any contract between YA and Pentecost as a church? Did you see anything church? So a critical court now will be argument. You no take Nipano. So a Christian or whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Oba Osha was say kindly accept the complement of the board and management of the Youth Employment Agency and the board no and the court from this proposal we at the buy.
Okay.
Now let's go. I say at the meeting held on Wednesday 29th May 2024 the board of the agency proposed that the management services agreement between the Youth Employment Agency and Zoom Lion Ghana Limited should be reviewed on the terms below upon the expiration of the 6-month extension period. Board no kwatnas no mo si agreement o mo ni Zoom Lion wo no o mo pese o mo yen sakrae wom entinia ma o mo so o mo e propose ye na one was say clause 814 all payment to Zoom Lion shall be done by the district assembly's common fund administrator on behalf of the agency upon a written notice by the chief executive officer of the agency to the administrator indicating the amount due Zoom Lion be amended to all payment to Zoom Lion shall be made directly by the agency upon receipt of fund from the district assembly common fund. First, my agreement I want to say why you need Zoom Lion for us apam say say this is assembly common fund ba this is assembly common fund only be tua Zoom Lion ka say almost do mo ye say scan ba omo why for na be tro krata
okay
e dia command this assembly common fund administrator no say on tua Zoom Lion ka this is the amendment.
Okay.
Number 2, deletion of clause 831 omo clause 831 also omo delete na clause 1 then or delete was say all payment to Zoom Lion shall be done by the district assembly's common fund. No. I'll say if Zoom Lion does not receive payment in accordance with subclause A2 due to the delay in the release of fund to the district assembly common fund from the Ministry of Finance, Zoom Lion shall be entitled to receive interest and financing charges at the prevailing commercial bank rate from the time it became due and to the date of final payment. Zoom Lion shall negotiate the said interest at the prevailing commercial bank rate with the Ministry of Finance and Agency. Omo agreement ba ko ne say. Esan se wo ni zoom line apam se bosome miensa bia metua wo ka. Se bosome miensa no so na ban no antua ne ka. Efi sa abre ne ko ne ka odi zoom line no. Odi hu ensi hu ba. Yeah. And it's accepted, it's allowed. Anything and for court judgment that ye share bra de ka near the interest next the amount. Now abana proposes why you propose say no or delete sa cross ni the film. Yeah. It means say zoom line obosome no so. That's when tua kakra no a. Say mfie miensa achi, mfie du achi na ban so betua ka. On my interest bia. Yeah. Who is it favoring? Zoom Lion or the government? Point number 3. Insertion of a new subclause in clause as 9.4. Also, all logistics shall be distributed to the YA regional and district warehouses for inspection and verification before subsequent distribution to the beneficiary. What say what the new clause is about? New clause ni say sa kadie dustbin, volunteer boot and pabwa edi odemo mu nyina no. Say na ba Zoom Lion family YE no. Na YE ni hwe ni ama no hwe wi ansa no de ma Zoom na no akọ distribute amankro. Okay. What's the way back? Now go to a year exhibit number 2B. We need to set some record straight. Oba was 4 or say clause 10.4. Was it beneficiaries shall be engaged for the period of 12 months from the date on which appointment letter, which shall be renewed for a further period of 12 months, be amended to the beneficiaries shall be engaged for a period of 24 months. Can no more appointment a year 1 year after 1 year no that's one per year. Yeah, the backward. This was say the more amended, the more appointment for 2 years. Okay. Now, bra 5 was say insertion of new clauses. Was it the agency shall take over the payment of beneficiaries' allowances upon the expiration of 6 months extension period. All outstanding arrears shall be paid by Zoom Lion, shall be entitled for only payment for logistics and management fee from the agency. Now, why you for say? Can you no one catch Zoom Lion for say? Won't you make my phone 100 and 250 Ghana cedis? But they say the why you phone up a sumutia. Okay. And Zoom Lion no. Na keto benye fra ban ho no a logistics management. Over II. The agency shall directly the agency shall pay directly to the beneficiaries an amount of 300 Ghana cedis. Yaka say last year no mo 250 Ghana cedis. And why no ankasa propose or the buy senka this year obetua beneficiaries no 300 Ghana cedis. Okay. Can you hold Zoom Lion responsible for that? Debbie. Per dia walking won't me hold Zoom Lion for why must obi be a reasonable thinker? Also, a critical thinker or your objective. Ebe blame Zoom Lion because that YA worker is being paid for only 250 Ghana cedis or 300 Ghana cedis. Okay. This is our only objective. So this is the record I want to set. Whether the government decide to continue to have this contract with Zoom Lion, that is not my business. Okay. Men say Obi Ejuma. Okay. Don't sit on radio and call people criminals when they are not criminals. Okay. Don't sit on people radio and TV and tarnish people hard and brands. When you yourself you are praying to your grandpa said you have personal brand could be touchier or be head to personal brander. You can seek redress. Okay. This is what I want to set the records. And then Listo because Listo has no records like he said. Okay. Or Kase or document were reading that. Yesterday or Kase were reading contract no. Based on that was like criminal. Idea were reading that you besides say a dear man criminal. You should be able to tell ordinary Ghanaian say I me reading here no. The no woman to a criminal. He couldn't provide. Okay. And say Zoom or Bahane Listo Bahane couldn't produce. I was first someone who Anna Yanino AT and common.
Yo, it for winning and someone about beto. Yapono Mikao says, so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bombshell say over subscribe. No, I like give video, no give us a thumbs up. Now, fee share my wofo so now when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memoir. Also with me otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mbete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.